Hi everyone, Michelle here, Nifty Package Company. I just want to say thank you, not just me, but the entire team for following us on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, because we know that you're being pulled in several different directions, and it is a real plus when you choose to follow us. So we just want to say thank you. Welcome to our different channels and our social media, and just know that you're going to find all things creative and gifting here. We are the #1 mobile gift wrapping business in the nation. We do a lot of gift wrapping for celebrities and high net worth families, as well as whoever has a desire and a need. Person up the street, corporations, we do a lot of work. Some of our clients are, as you know, you've seen some of the Kardashians, the Biebers. We've done work for the Clippers, Meta, Disney, Warner Brothers Discovery, Republic Records. We've done gifts for Taylor Swift, Khloe Kardashian. There are so many names. We are very fortunate and very blessed to be in an absolutely amazing business. So we just all want to say thank you. Thank you for choosing us.